Let's get started. Yeah, Satvik, you're saying something?
I can't turn on my video.
I was able to see you though. It's okay. I mean, if somebody is having any technical issue in turning on the video, that's fine. I mean, it's not a mandate. It's a recommendation, and I always love seeing you guys face to face. That's how I feel that okay, we are in the classroom. Otherwise, it looks like I'm talking to some strangers. Okay, all right. Yug and Rudraj, can you guys stop being busy for no legitimate reasons? Are you guys feeling cold?
Yes. No.
Was this a surprise to you when you came to the classroom, or you were knowing that it's going to be cold?
I knew it's gonna be cold.
So then, what do you want now?
Close the garage.
I can try closing the garage. Hey, Sivakeswa, I'll just give me a second, okay? All right, so let's start. So I just informed the kids that class has started. I see some are still missing, but we will deal with it. So today being a Saturday, let's quickly check the tables, and then we'll, in the meantime, you guys decide and keep typing what are the topics that you guys want to learn, okay? Because right now I'm teaching concepts based on priority for you guys. So type in the text window whatever you want to cover today, otherwise I have some topic in mind, okay? Alright.
Sir, why did we not get our homework?
Financial literacy was the topic that we learned.
Yeah.
So, what kind of question you want me to ask?
No, why did we not get our homework on Sunday?
Yeah, so that's why I gave you guys some freedom this week, okay? That's okay. Let's come back. Let's come back to the class. Let's not digress too much. We have okay, who joined in between? I think yeah, everybody is here only. Alright, so let's get started. So we are doing tables today first, and then in the meantime, as I said, you guys can keep typing only the topic that you want to cover. Otherwise, I have a plan in mind, okay? So let's start. Let's go to Aditi. Yep. So Aditi, table till?
13.
13. 12 5 ja.
60.
9 9 ja.
81.
6 9 ja.
54.
13 6 ja.
I don't know that.
78. Anyways, but yeah, so far going good. Make sure that you practice that a little bit more. Okay? Alright. Let's go to Nihit.
Okay.
Table till?
7.
5 9 ja.
45.
3 8 ja.
24.
4 9 ja.
36.
6 6 ja.
36.
7 4 ja.
28.
6 9 ja.
54.
Wonderful. Good job. So Aditi and Nihit both have done a very good job. Aditi has to work on table of 13 and Nihit has to not to go beyond 7 for now. Let's stay till 7 and let's work on reducing the time for the answer, okay? 7 5 or 35 has to come little quicker, so that's what we'll work on, okay? Alright. Now let's go to, so Aradhya also has joined and who else joined? And then Ananya and Aditya also have joined. Asher, ready?
Yes.
Table till
11.
9 5 ja.
9 to 5 are 45.
7 9 ja.
7 9s are 63.
6 8 ja.
6 8s are 48.
6 7 ja.
6 7s are 42.
9 8 ja.
9 8s are 9. 9 8s are 72.
8 9 ja.
8 9s are 72.
7 5 ja.
7 5s are 35.
2 7 ja.
2 7, where is it 2 7?
2 7 ja. Yep.
2 7. 2
Sir?
7 are 14.
14. 11 9 ja.
11 9s are 99.
Good job. So, Asher, same thing. You are not going wrong with your answers. I don't want you to go from 11 to 12 for now. Stay till 11, but a little faster. Okay?
Okay.
And that will come with practice. Suhina, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till
15.
5 9 ja.
45.
15 7 ja.
What, sir?
15 7 ja.
15 7, sir. 105.
14 8 ja.
14 8, sir. 112.
13 9 ja.
39, sir. 117.
4 8 ja.
32.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 7 ja.
108.
12 7 ja.
Oh, 86.
84.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you are doing wonderful, beta. Okay, so there is no problem with this. I would want you to slow down a little bit. Don't go to 16 for now. Let's stay till 15. Okay, and make sure that we are 100% accurate all the time. That would be our focus. Yeah. So you now okay, beta? Okay. All right. Let's go to Siva Keswa. Ready?
Yeah.
Table till
30.
5 9 ja.
45.
13 8 ja.
98.
104. 12 9 ja.
What?
12 9 ja.
108.
Yes. 11 6 ja.
66.
7 8 ja.
56.
9 7 ja.
63.
6 9 ja.
54.
13 4 ja.
52.
Good job. But you will not promise me you are not going to go to 14, okay? Everybody heard it, everything is recorded. So Suhina is not going beyond 15. Sivakeswa is not going beyond 13 for now. Let's make sure that, see again, I mean, we don't memorize table beyond 20, right? If you guys memorize everything now, what will you do in the coming classes? So let's not rush, but make sure that whatever we do it like written on stone, okay? Alright? Quick, accurate, and perfect. I mean, accurate and perfect are the same, anyways. Okay, let's go to Satvik.
12.
5 9 ja.
45.
8 8 ja.
64.
7 9 ja.
63.
12 9 ja.
108.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 7 ja.
63.
Good job. Same thing. Don't go beyond 12 for now. Stay till 12. Make it like the way you don't forget your name and you never take time to think about it even. Yep. Tasvik, ready?
Yes.
8 7 ja.
56.
12 9 ja.
108.
7 8 ja.
56.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 5 ja.
60.
6 8 ja.
48.
12 6 ja.
96.
12 6.
72.
13 4 ja. No, I was
52.
yeah, you know it. Okay, you got mute Tasvik. Yeah. Now people will not hear me twice. So Tasvik was making me speak twice. But anyways, good job Tasvik. You are doing till 12. Wonderful. It's been some time since you have done till 12 and you are always quick and you are not wrong also. So I would say you can go to 13 now, okay? Mostly I ask the kids to stay till a number. Sometimes I'll ask kids to go to the next number also because I certainly want you all to grow and learn new things. So that's why I'm asking Tasvik to go to 13 now, okay? Not today, but in the next Saturday class, I would want you to come up with table till 13 also, okay?
Okay.
So that way, Tasvik will find something more interesting because I think he has done it enough. Okay, let's go to people who were smiling here in the class and let's see what is the worth of those smiles. Okay, you ready? Table till? 11. 9 5 ja.
45.
4 9 ja.
36.
6 8 ja.
48.
9 8 ja.
81.
9 8 ja.
Oh yeah. 72.
6 8 ja.
81.
48.
Oh.
Okay, so here's the deal. Remember the last class I said you'll not go beyond 8? I did not forget. You forgot. And you went to 11. I would have been happy.
I practiced 11.
No, you practice. See, it's not about.
I practiced 11.
No, you practice 11, but see, what is happening here? 6 8, what happened? You took time and you went wrong also. So that's how, see, it's not about speed, okay? It's about accuracy. So let's focus on that. Don't go.
Accuracy?
Huh?
What's accuracy?
We'll learn that. So what I'm saying is, don't rush to grab more. Only eat as much you can digest. You know what it means? If you stuff lot of things, right? Your digestive system will not be able to help you.
Like you're overeating.
Overeating. That, yeah.
Practicing.
Okay. So let's cut it there. So what I'm saying is, don't go beyond 8. I want you to get out of the habit of counting or minimize that, okay? Right now you're not going wrong, but you're doing a lot of counting. And if you keep counting, what will happen, I'll grow older, waiting for you to give me an answer. With every second passing by, I'm getting older, right? So if you're taking 5 seconds to say 6 9 are 54, imagine just because you have to give one answer, I have grown old. Don't do that. Be little fast. Okay, let's go to Rudraksh. Ready?
7.
5 9 ja.
45.
6 8 ja.
6 8, right? 56.
48. 7 3 ja.
7 3 7 31.
5 8 ja.
5 8 40.
6 9 ja.
6 9 56.
44.
I'm 44.
Mm-hmm. 6 9 is 54.
54. 44.
7 7 there.
I don't know.
Okay. So here's the deal. See, when I don't give assignment, if I am not giving any assignment on any week, in any week, one assignment you guys always have. That's the there's nothing to talk. Make your ears work. I'm saying if I'm not giving any assignment, there's one assignment that you have by default every time. That is memorizing tables. And
I did memorize the table till 7, but
no, so see, memorizing table is not reading table. Okay, memorizing is different from reading. What I mean by that is, let's say if you are memorizing table of 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 3 is 70. Okay, I memorized. Then let me question myself. 7 5 is 35. Okay, I know it. 7 8 is 56. Okay, I know it. 7 9 is 63. Okay, I know it. Then after doing 2-3 times, when you see that, when you are asking yourself and not getting stuck, catch hold of somebody in the family, say, okay, ask me questions. Do it like a sport. Do studies like a sport. If you enjoy studies, you will excel in studies. If you do it just because you have to sit for certain number of hours in front of your somebody, then that will not help. Okay? So make sure that keep memorizing tables. And I'm not saying that I'll not give assignment. I'll give assignment.
memorizing it, but I forgot some of them.
That see, forgetting is very normal. Everybody forgets. I forget more than anybody else. That's why I try not to memorize. I try to understand things. But what I'm saying is, table is something that you have to memorize. You cannot understand it. Okay? Alright, let's move on. So, okay, so we have, who all have not spoken yet? Who have not shared? Aradhya is not. Aradhya ready?
Yeah.
Table till
11.
9 8 there.
72.
5 9 there.
45.
6 7 there.
42.
5 8 there.
40.
7 7 there.
49.
8 7 there.
56.
9 4 there. Guys, settle down. Otherwise, everything will fall apart. Sit down quietly, okay? Nobody's going anywhere. Okay.
36.
Yep. 9 8 there.
72.
Wonderful. Love that. I was a little worried Radhya, when you started, okay? Because I was thinking that you jumped from 7 to 11, and I purposefully did not ask you 10 and 11 because 10 and 11 are easy ones, right? 10 5 are 50, right? You don't have to do anything. So that's why I checked till 9, and you did not give me a reason to correct you, which is a good sign. So that means you are studying, you are practicing, and that is reflecting here, okay? So keep doing that, okay? Don't go to 12 for now. Stay till 11 and make sure that it starts coming like this. 9 5 are 45, 4 9 are 36, 6 8 are 48, something like that, like a song, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's see who has not shared table. So Aditi,
Oh yeah.
calm down. See, you have to stay attentive. When I was talking to the kids, you were that side doing something. I see you guys doing some feet fight also. Don't do that. This is not fun. I'm being serious. In the class, I will not entertain anything which is nonsensical. Okay?
What's that?
Yeah. What you're doing right now is the same thing.
Okay.
I said I will not entertain anything nonsensical. Nonsense is a word. Nonsensical. Physics is a word. Physical is an adjective. Right? Same way. So, okay, let's not go there. Don't waste your and my time and everybody else's time. So, Aditi has shared. Ashar you shared, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Satvik has done. Ananya and Aditya have not. Then Suhina has done. Sami has not shared. So Sami, Ananya Aditya, and Shreyanvi.
We're eating.
Okay. So Sami, Shreyanvi, and Ananya Aditya have not shared. So Ananya Aditya are eating right now. So let's start with Sami. Sami, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead. Table till 12. 5 8 ja.
40.
12 9 ja.
108.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 7 ja.
63.
6 8 ja.
48.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 5 ja.
60.
11 10 ja.
110.
12 9 ja.
108.
Okay, wonderful. So you are going to be my second child who has to go to table of 13 now. So like I told Tasvik, right? So Tasvik has been doing table till 12 and I don't see him taking time, neither he goes wrong. Same way for you also, Sami, you can start with table till 13 from next week. Don't go to 14, stay till 13, 13 is enough, okay?
Yeah.
Alright? Okay.
I learned until 20. I just need to practice.
Correct, correct. So that's why I'm going slow, okay? I'm not in a hurry. I know I'm growing old, but you guys still have a lot of time. Don't worry, okay?
Yeah.
We'll go slow. We'll eat as much we can digest. We'll learn as much we can retain, okay? All right. Let's go to Shyanvi. Why you have to keep on making sound? You're a musical instrument. You're a musician. No, right? Don't do that. Shyanvi, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Table till
12.
8 8 ja.
8 8s. 64.
6 9 ja.
6 9s. 54.
12 7 ja.
12 7s.
Uh-huh.
84.
It has to come with a bang. 12 7 ja. 84. I want to hear that confidence in you guys, okay? 7 8 ja.
7 8s are 56.
11 8 ja.
11 8s are 96.
88. 11 8.
11 8s?
Yep. 12 8 ja. 96.
You already gave the answer to 11 times 8.
11 times 8 is 88.
Yeah, you said that.
I heard 96, that's why I was. Okay, anyways. Yeah. 7 9 ja.
7 9s are 7 9s? 63.
12 4 ja.
12 4s are 48.
Wonderful. Good job. So stick till 12 for now, but soon I will push you to 13 as well. Okay? But for now it's okay. And you are anyways a much smaller baby for now. I don't want to push you hard. Okay? You are doing wonderful. Let's go to Ananya and Aditya. Are you guys ready?
Yes, yeah.
Turn on the videos as well.
We can.
You can? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So who goes first? Aditya?
Me. Yeah.
Table till
12.
8 8 ja.
8 8s are 64.
9 5 ja.
9 5s are 45.
12 7 ja.
12 7s. 9. 90.
84. 12 7 ja 84. Rudraj, be careful. The laptop might fall and the whole class will go for a toss. Don't push this table. Okay. 7 8 ja.
7 8s are 56.
4 9 ja.
4 9s are 36.
Okay. Wonderful. Let's go to Ananya. Anya, ready?
Yeah.
Table till
I'll just do 8.
8. No, that's fine. See, it's okay to pick a smaller number and be accurate than picking a higher number and going wrong. Okay, that's fine. You guys have a lot of time. So 4 9 ja.
4 9s are 36.
6 8 ja.
6 8s are 48.
5 7 ja.
5 35.
7 5 ja.
35.
5 9 ja.
45.
8 8 ja.
64.
6 9 ja.
54.
Wonderful. So everybody has done tables. Let me just do a one last time check. Who has not shared? I think everybody did. Okay. So now I was asking you guys keep on chatting all the time, texting in between. But today when I asked you guys to type something that you want to learn today, nobody said a single word. So what does it mean? First of all, everybody please turn on your video except for those of you who cannot. Okay? Because I don't want to talk to a laptop screen. I don't enjoy that. Okay. So yeah, what topic you want to pick up today? No, I'm saying just go ahead and tell me one. Otherwise I'll pick mine.
I don't know any.
Okay, that's okay.
Financial literacy.
Triangles.
Financial literacy we have done enough.
Triangles.
Okay.
Algebra.
Algebra,
Triangles.
triangles, Aditi. Yep.
Venn diagram.
Venn diagram. Okay.
Stem and leaf.
What is that?
Stem and leaf.
I don't know what exactly is that.
I know what stem and leaf is.
Okay. Stem and leaf. I heard 7 leaf. I was wondering what exactly is that. Okay.
It's a stem and leaf.
Stem and leaf. Okay.
What's that?
Stem and leaf plants.
Okay.
What's that?
It's like a table.
Say that again.
It's like a table.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I know that. So I did not hear it right. That's why I was wondering what exactly is that.
What's stem and leaf?
When we learn that, we'll talk about it. Let's not try learning everything in one go and learn nothing.
No, I didn't know that card.
Okay. We'll talk about that. Okay. So let's pick up something called algebra. Okay. Everybody was talking about learning algebra.
Yay! I say triangle.
What is it?
I say triangle.
So I'm starting with algebra, then I'll go to triangle. So okay, let me pick up triangle, then I'll go to algebra if that works better. Okay. Okay.
I'm not confused with
No, we are not here for debate. Don't get into any debate for no reason. Okay? Alright. So, Satvik dropped off. Okay, he'll come back. So, first of all, we want to talk about triangles, which you asked for. So, we'll quickly talk about tables and then we'll go to algebra. And algebra is a topic which is interesting. So, we'll see what all we can cover today and what we want to cover tomorrow. Okay? Yeah? Alright. So, triangles. Tell me if there's anybody in the class who doesn't know what is a triangle.
I know what it is. I know.
No, I'm saying tell me who doesn't know what is a triangle. Nobody, right? Everyone knows what is a triangle. Now, don't engage into unnecessary discussion because that is a waste of time for everybody. Okay, now everybody knows triangle. Triangle is a shape which has 3 sides and 3 angles. If you ask me to teach you triangle, if you keep playing with your notebook, whom I'm teaching here in the first place? Don't fool around if you really want to learn something, okay? Pay attention here. So triangle is a shape, or triangle is a closed shape which has 3 sides and 3 angles. Fine so far?
Yes.
If you are talking about a triangle, what are different types of triangles you guys know about? I want everybody to raise hand. Don't. Hand is enough. sound, I will tell you when to speak, use. Everybody raise your hand. Everybody, whoever has raised hand will name one of the triangle. I'll come to you guys. Only one triangle, and then you can let others speak. Aditi, one triangle.
Isosceles.
Isosceles, okay? Tasvik, one triangle. Quick.
That's an equilateral.
No, so nobody will speak unless your name is called out. Go on mute.
Scalene.
Scalene. Okay. Okay. Suina, one.
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral. Aditya, one. Aditya, tell me one name. Name of one triangle.
Right triangle.
Right triangle. Okay, or right angle triangle, whatever you call it.
Oh.
You have one.
Okay.
A perpendicular triangle.
No. After you said one name, you'll have to wait. Acute angle triangle. There is nothing called perpendicular triangle, okay? It is the same right angle triangle. Yeah? Yeah. Obtuse angle triangle.
A triangle.
What is that?
They-
Obese triangle? No. Okay. So, obtuse angle triangle. It's not obese, it's obtuse. So,
Make sure you remember it by that's what my teacher used to remember it by thinking of a bee.
yeah. So now here, everybody. This is one category, this is another category. These are two groups. This is a group based on sides. See? When you have all the sides same, equilateral triangle, only two sides same, isosceles triangle, all sides different, scalene triangles. This is based on side and this is based on angle. Okay? Based on angle, if one of the angle is acute angle, meaning angle which is less than 90 degrees. If all the angles are less than 90 degrees, that will be acute angle triangle. If all the angles are, if one of the angle is more than 90 degrees, that is obtuse angle triangle. And if one of the angle is 90 degrees, that is right angle triangle. So 90 degree angle is called right angle. That's why triangle having one right angle is called right angle triangle. Angle greater than 90 degrees is called obtuse angle. So a triangle having one angle which is more than 90 degrees is called obtuse angle triangle. And a triangle having all the angles less than 90 degrees is called acute angle triangle. Now you guys will tell me why here in right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle we said one angle, and why in this case we are saying all angles are acute. Because if you have a triangle where these two angles are acute but this is 90 degree, then you will call this right angle triangle, not acute angle triangle. That's why you have to have all the angles less than 90 degree. Okay? Now interesting question for, see, now I am going to bother you guys. Okay, that's my plan. And I will ask you guys some questions to see what is your understanding of these triangles, okay? Because these things you already know. Now let's look at the concept part of it. Can I have a triangle with sum of angles equal to 182 degrees?
Yes. No.
Don't rush. There is no brownie point for being quick and giving wrong
No,
answer.
what did you say?
No.
No.
Because the maximum is 180.
Maximum. Can I have a triangle with total angle equal to 170 degrees?
Yeah.
No.
So that is why I am saying there is no reward, prize, certificate, ceremony for being quick and being wrong. Yes, Sreena, you're saying something.
There is a chance.
Aditi, what is your response?
No, because it might look like something else.
Siva Kesava, what is your point?
No.
No? How about you, Ananya Aditya?
What?
What? I'm saying, see, that means that's why I keep asking everybody to keep their videos on. Otherwise, you'll be doing something else, and if I ask the question, you will say what? Question was simple. I said, can I have a triangle where the sum of all the angles is 182 degree, or can I have a triangle where the sum of all the angles is 178 degree?
The first one.
This is correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is not correct?
Wait. Yeah, I think the second one's correct.
Second one is correct. How about you, Tasvik?
First one's
That's right.
correct, I think.
You said whatever you have to say. So don't keep on repeating your mistakes. Yeah, Tasvik, what is your point of view?
No, it's because it might turn out to be a different shape.
Okay. Ashar?
I don't even know, but I think it might be the.
Okay. How about you, Satvik?
I don't know.
Okay, no, it's okay. I'm just trying to understand everybody's.
I think it's the second one.
Okay.
Is correct.
Okay. Let's see what Praneeth has to say. Sorry, Nihit has to say. Nihit, what do you think? Which one is right? Which one is possible?
I think that's the first one.
Okay. Now, Rudraj, what is your thought? Enough dancing, singing done. Now tell me, which one is correct? This is possible or this is possible?
Your second one.
All the guesswork done. All of you who were gambling lost all your money because yeah, Tasvik.
The answer is no, because triangles can only be 180 degrees.
Damage is done. Yeah, Sohina.
No, it's by mistake, sir.
Okay. So now this is the rule of thumb. You will never ever have a triangle where the sum of all the angles is not 180 degree. This is not a triangle. This cannot be a triangle. If you ever dream of any triangle, the sum of all the angles have to be 180 degree. Even if any God comes and says that no, this is okay, don't believe him or her. If your parents say that 182, there can be a triangle with sum of angles 182 degree, say no. If I ever say that sum of all the angles is 179 degree or 215 degree, say that you brush up your concept one more time. Okay? What I'm trying to say here is there will never ever be sum of all the angles of a triangle anything different from 180 degree. Not even 179.99. No chance.
Yeah, actually that's not.
It has to be 180 and only 180.
Because that's the maximum.
It's not maximum minimum, it has to be this number. If it is not 180, we are not talking about a triangle, as simple as that.
You draw something else.
Forget about it. I'm being very blunt and to the point. I'm saying if you have any shape where sum of all the angles is not 180 degree, you're not talking about a triangle. Take it to anybody. Okay? And the day you are able to come across a triangle with angle different from 180 degree, I will stop teaching. I promise. Okay? Alright. So that is the level of confidence you have to have. Now, everybody has piece of paper and pen with him or her?
Yes.
Okay. And Sammy, Satvik, who are the kids whom I'm not able to see right now? I am not able to see Ananya, Advik.
Grab paper and pen.
Okay. Satvik, do you want to turn on your video? I'm giving you guys one interesting assignment right now.
Truth.
Guys, don't keep talking. Okay? I'm saying draw a triangle. Draw a triangle, okay? Make sure that one side is 3 centimeter, second side is 4 centimeter, and third side is 9 centimeter. Can somebody draw it? Whoever has pen, paper, and a scale also,
No.
a ruler.
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
What is the second question?
No, this is only one question. I'm saying draw a triangle where one side is 3 centimeter, second side is 4 centimeter, and third side is 9 centimeter.
Oh, okay.
Since you guys don't have a ruler with you, can you try drawing it on the piece of paper? Think and draw, okay? That is more important. And you can say that, okay, this is 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter.
What's the second side?
Second, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 9 centimeters.
I tried
Okay, I'm drawing it.
it. Is this okay?
I'll come to that. Now, don't ask Rudraj. So what I would suggest is think about it. Now think about it like a number line. I'm giving you guys clue. You guys know number line?
Yeah.
You're talking about 3 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. This is 0, 1. Huh?
Can you do that for me too?
Why you can't do it by yourself also?
Um,
No, I'm just giving you guys a clue, right? If I do it for you, for 5 more kids, then I'll only keep on drawing this number line. Now, what I'm saying, see, look at this, what I'm telling you. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 9 centimeter. That's what I said, right?
yeah.
So 3 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, let's say. So this length, okay, you measure it by this, okay? 3. Okay, so you draw a line with 3 centimeter, here to here. 4 centimeter here to here. Measure it with your finger also. Okay, here to here. Okay. So if I draw 4 centimeter, I will say here to here. This is the point. Okay. Use some technique. Okay. Can you? You have to play with math. If you don't play with math, math will play with you. You know what it means? If math plays with you in the examination hall, math is like a chicken who lays egg. And this is what you will get. If math plays with you in the examination hall, this is what you will get. Yeah, Tasvik.
I'm done.
3 centimeters.
Were you able to draw?
Yes.
Wonderful.
This
Suhina?
is what I got.
Okay. How about you, Suhina?
Okay.
This is what I got.
Okay.
This is what I got.
Okay. 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 Now let me. Tasvik, go on now. Now let me tell you guys, everybody is wrong.
What? Oh yeah.
Everybody.
Degrees.
Tasvik, go on news. Everybody is wrong. You cannot draw a triangle with these 3 sides. Ever.
180 degrees equal to.
Where this angle can you light?
You cannot. 180 degrees. So one is too long, one is too short, one is like not reachable.
That doesn't work. In math, story doesn't work.
So it
Only-
has to be 100 degrees.
Cut it short. Cut it down. Cut it down. You are wasting time. Yeah, Aditi, you're saying something.
Your voice just echoed earlier.
Yeah, that is because when Tasvik speaks, he doesn't let me speak.
Why?
It's a problem with his laptop probably. When he unmutes himself, you hear me twice. Anyways, that's not the syllabus. Okay, no, okay.
Tasvik.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, guys, Guys, Tasvik, yeah, now you speak. I'll go on mute. Okay, so here's the deal. Now I told you guys, right, that everybody was wrong. Whoever tried drawing a triangle with these 3 dimensions were wrong. Why? Because there is one thing that you need to see here. Now look at this. Let's say this is my number line, okay? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? I have drawn, this is my 9 centimeter. Ananya, Aditya, can you go on mute? Please go on mute.
Is there a correction?
Yeah, please. Here I am saying, let's say this is 9 centimeter. I don't have a scale right now with me, right? So this is 9 centimeter. Now I have one side 4 centimeter, other side 3 centimeter. So if I say 3 centimeter, so it will be something like this. So probably here to here is 3 centimeter. And other side is 4 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this long. So here. See, is it making a triangle?
No.
It will never ever make a triangle. What is the thumb rule?
Yeah.
Or what is the rule of thumb? You don't have to teach that to me. I have to teach that to you. Okay? So, the rule of thumb is this. If you add 2 sides, any 2 sides, it has to be greater than the third one. I have 3 sides, 3, 4 and 9. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, which is less than 9. Not working. Let's say 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Is greater than the third side, which is 3. This is okay. Third combination is 3 plus 4 is done. 4 plus 9 is done. So 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 equal to 12. It is greater than the third side, which is 4 centimeter. So this is also okay. So you have to look at, add any 2 sides, and that has to be greater than the third one. If you ever come across a situation where the 2 sides is not greater than the third one, you cannot draw a triangle. I know it's confusing. Now let me give you guys one example. If I tell you that draw a triangle with side as 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Okay? So, why the drama? No drama needed. Okay? And this is one triangle, and then I am saying draw a second triangle with sides as 8 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay? I am saying you can, can you draw this triangle or this triangle? How you will check? Take any 2 sides, 5 plus 6. How much is that? 11. Is it greater than the third side? 11 is greater than 7. This is okay. Now pick other 2 sides. Let's say 6 and 7. 6 plus 7. How much is that? 13. Is it greater than the third side, which you have not picked up? 5. This is also okay. Now you pick up third combination. Let's say 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is done. 5 and 6 is done. 5 and 7 is not done. So 5 plus 7 is how much? 12. Is it greater than the third side? 6. Yes. So this is also correct. That means any 2 sides you pick up, add them together. If that is greater than the third side, you can draw the triangle. See here, you did not find anything going wrong. So you are okay to draw this triangle. Now look at this guy. What are sides? 8, 3 and 10. 8 plus 3 equal to 11. And that is greater than the third side. This is looking okay. Now pick up the other 2 sides. 3 and 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. And the third side is 8. This also looks okay. Now look at 8 plus 3 done.
8 plus 10.
8 plus 10. Okay. let me not give 10, let me give 7. Let me change that rule. So here 8, 3 and 7. I'll give 12. Yeah, now this is fine. So here 8, 3 and 12. So 5, 6 and 7 we saw that okay. If you pick any two sides, sum of that is greater than the third one. 5 and 6 greater than 7. 6 plus 7 greater than 5. 5 plus 7 greater than 6. All three conditions met. So no problem. Yes, Rina, saying something?
Could I go drink some water and come?
Sure. Now look at the second situation. I have 8, 3 and 12. Now let's look at it. Pick up any two sides. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Is it greater than 12? No. This is problem. Now look at 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 is 15. Is it greater than the third side? 8? Yes, this is okay. Now look at 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. Is it greater than the third side? 3. Yes, this is also looking okay. Who is? Yes, Satvik.
I have to leave now.
Okay, no problem. Yep. Alright, so what I was saying was that if you have any, yeah,
Can we go bathroom?
yeah. Let's want to go to bathroom together.
I read my hand. Where's his hand?
Okay, so no, I have no time for any unnecessary discussion. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you have to take off your shoes before you go inside.
Right here or there?
On my head, keep it there.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So see, it is teaching is one part, and making sure kids are not wasting time is even more important. So what I was trying to say was that if you have any triangle, the rule of thumb is any two sides of the triangle, sum of any two sides of the triangle cannot be less than the third side. Sum of any two sides, I said. So if somebody says draw a triangle, like I said, okay, if somebody says draw a triangle with sum of all the angles 178 degrees, he will say I cannot draw it. Similarly, if somebody says draw a triangle with the three sides given to you, first check you have to do is any two sides, sum has to be greater than the third side. So if you are taking these two, that will be greater than this one. If you are taking these two, sum of these two has to be greater than this one. If you are taking these two, sum of these two has to be greater than this one. That's what we did. And we found that okay, 5 plus 6 greater than 7. Wonderful, no worries. Looks okay. 6 plus 7 6 plus 7 greater than 5. Looks okay, no worries. 5 plus 7, 12 greater than 6. All okay. All three combinations we saw, and everything is following this rule. That means you are good. You can draw this triangle. Then you can go and draw it. Here if you see 8 plus 3, 11. Is it greater than 12? No. It failed the first test. Second test, 3 plus 12. Is these two greater than 8? 3 plus 12 is 15. Greater than 8. Looks okay. This test is okay. Third one is 8 plus 12. 20. Is it greater than 3? Yes. So this test passed. This test passed. This one failed. If you have one failed test, you cannot draw a triangle. Okay? Even if you have one failed test, you cannot draw that triangle.
It's impossible.
It's same thing. So see, everybody knows what is a triangle, what are different types of triangles.
No, like
These are some of the interesting facts about triangles. Like you can never ever have a triangle with sum of angles anything different from 180. You can never ever have a triangle, or you can never draw a triangle where sum of two sides is less than the third side. Any two sides, I said. Yes, Yanvi.
I need to leave.
No worries. We'll be wrapping up the class in a minute anyways. So can you open the garage?
okay.
Press the below button. And Rudrash, make sure you take off your slippers before you go inside. Okay. So Did you guys learn something new today? That's a question to you all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes.
So Hina, do you think so?
Yes.
Did we, Aditi, agree? We learned something?
Agree.
Yeah, okay. So Hina, was it interesting or boring? See, these are some of the interesting concepts that we don't pay much attention to, okay? But if you know the property, right? I mean, if you know that, okay, if I have to learn something from this teacher, you have to know what are my properties, what are my skills. If you know my skills, then you'll ask me a question, I'll teach you something. Same way, if you know the property of the triangle, then you can draw it, or you can do more math around it. But if you are not aware of these properties, things might go wrong. So what we did not learn today was algebra, and that is a big topic which will start from tomorrow. For next couple of class, we will pay attention to what is algebra, different concepts around algebra, and we'll play with those concepts. Is that okay? Sivakeswa, okay?
Yes.
Yep. Everybody fine? Alright, so I'll let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and see you guys tomorrow, same time. Alright?
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.